Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to fix because an app is obscuring a permission request on Android. An app is obscuring the permission request error occur when a screen overlay like a floating app or a permission manager is blocking an app permission request. And in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step on how to fix it. So the first thing to do is to turn off screen overlay, or you can turn off the draw over other apps. So to do that, go to the settings on your phone, then search for draw over the app or display over the other apps, then select apps with permission to draw over other apps, then turn off overlay for apps like Messenger, which has a head chart or a screen recorder or a blue light filter with a floating widget. Then after that, try granting the permission again. Then also you can also restart your phone, and this actually fix the background to stop apps causing the issue.